This model kit review is of the Porsche Boxster, the special edition. It's a 1/24 scale model by Tamiya, and there's the one way to do it there. There's the one with the top. You can either do the normal version or the special edition. And I think this one has two bodies inside. There's the completed car, and unfortunately this one has already been started. A fair amount's been done on it. Here is our glass, depending on which one you wanted to build, a soft top or a hard top. Here is our cockpit. The dashboard's already been put on with the steering wheel as well, and seats, and it has not been painted. So I'll have to strip that down and do that again. Looks like we have the two bodies here, depending on which version you wanted to build. They decided to build this one. The glass has already been put on, unfortunately, as well as our mirrors and our headlights. So it's kind of disappointing. They'll need to be taken off, sanded down and redone, but the molding quality is actually very good. See the grill, they always tell you it's a good mold when you don't have pieces to sand out. Now here's the other option if you wanted to do that other option. Also nicely molded. We have our wheels. If you wanted to do those wheels, you could. Then they have these chrome ones, and they've got tires. These are nicely molded tires. Looks like our essential exhausts. We have some side windows. And then we have our, so this wheel looks like it was on there and broke off. That'll all need to be taken off and painted. Chassis, fair amount of detail. At least in the bottom of that Boxster engine. And we have our sway bar and suspension parts. None of it's been painted, so it all needs to be taken down and redone. Otherwise the molding quality is very nice, lots of detail. Looks like we have a license plate. Here's the other license plate options. And we have our decals. And this one does not include instructions, unfortunately. Looks like it's a relatively easy to build kit. Most of the parts have already been done anyway. So that should be a relatively easy build.